Hey guys, we are here at the new house and I'm going to give you a tour today. We are also going to be doing some cleaning while it is empty, and I'm going to also explain some of the projects we have planned, some of the big ones, some of the small ones. So let's see the new house. So this is the house as is right now. All of this is going to be cleared out, all of the bushes and everything. One of the first things we do. And the first main big addition that we're going to do is change this carport into a 2-car garage, and we're actually going to add above it as well. It's going to be living space, like a bigger living room, dining room, kitchen area. And this is on 1 acre, so the property goes all the way over there to pretty much almost to the neighbor's house. And then a little bit this way, about halfway in between these two houses here. And honestly, the whole front is going to kind of be changed. We're going to be adding some peaks. We're changing the front entrance so that it comes out straight, adding a big porch here. There's a lot of stuff in the works for this house. Also, one of the things that we really like about this property and the house is just down this road here is water access. There's a pier and there is a fishing pier and a boat launch, and we're about a mile from the beach. So here's the back of the house, and sorry, my van's in the way. And here's the backyard, and all of that is county property, so it's just going to stay woods. Nothing will be built there. So on the back of the property, we'll eventually change this out. And this right here is the master bedroom, and then there's like a little half bath here. And this will be addition number 2, probably not for like another year, maybe even 2 years, but we're going to add on to that. I would like to get rid of this sunroom thing. It's really kind of gross inside, very moist. I don't know, it just doesn't seems like it would have been better to be like a porch or something. But we'll knock this out and make this into like a screen porch or an open patio. We haven't decided yet. But other than the siding being changed and the roof, really nothing else in the back will change other than this little addition here. Okay, so I'm going to bring you through the front. And this is a split level home, which you probably already noticed. I'm actually not a fan of these, and typically we don't look at them at all, but this was something that the Lord provided, most definitely for us. So you can walk up the stairs into the main living space or downstairs into the bottom level living space, which has 2 bedrooms, a family room, and a full bathroom. We will go upstairs. So underneath all of this carpet is beautiful hardwood floor that, even though this house was built in 70, it has not seen sun. Like, it has been so protected, which you can see we've already ripped up all this carpet here. And you can see there's not a scratch. It's like perfect. This was a huge blessing to find underneath the carpet, because that would have been a huge expense. So you walk up and the living room is right here on the right-hand side. And the windows have all been updated, which is also nice. And then looking back, we're going to get rid of this wall area here, put a railing so it's more open. And all of this will be painted and a new light fixture. So when you walk up the stairs, there's a wall that leads to the kitchen. We are going to knock all of this wall down as well. And I'll show you this kitchen. As you can see, it is original. Everything about it is original. Sorry, it's kind of dark. Let me turn on the light. Okay, that's better. So this is a little pantry here. It won't be a pantry forever, but for now it's a pantry. And an eating area. This is a staircase that actually goes in the back of the house. This is kind of unique for split levels. They usually only have the one staircase in the front, but I like that she had this built with a staircase in the back, so it also leads right out the back door, or you can go to the other side of the downstairs. And here is the kitchen in all its glory. Original cabinets, faux brick. It's actually not a horrible size kitchen, but again, this wall will be gone and this wall will be gone. So it will be much more open, and this here will become more kitchen with an island. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy, with an island here. And then this leads into the dining area. Again, perfectly finished hardwood floors. And that wall will be gone. And this wall will be gone. And something else I think is kind of fun in this house, which obviously it won't stay, but they have pocket doors in a lot of the rooms. So this is where the addition will go, is on this side of the house. So it'll make the living room, dining room area bigger. We can actually, we're gonna bring the kitchen down into this wall in this area. So it'll be a much larger living space. Hopefully you guys are seeing the vision. Okay. Now, back on this side of the house, there's bedrooms. And so this is just a coat closet here. This is a full bathroom. And this also has been updated. I don't know how long ago. The tile is newer, the sink is newer. And the shower is also newer. So that's a nice expense that we won't have to do, is to update this bathroom. And then if we go back out here, this is a linen closet. This is the master bedroom here, and then 2 smaller bedrooms. We're still trying to decide, but it seems like this will end up being my husband's office. Unfortunately, these floors weren't as protected. But this will be my husband's office room. It's the smallest bedroom in the house. That's kind of why we're making it the office for now. And this is my daughter's room. And all of it is going to be painted. And there's good sized closets in all the bedrooms, which is nice. This floor isn't perfect, but it is still really nice. And she has 3 nice windows, which is gonna keep her room nice and bright, which I really like, having bright bedrooms. And then this is the master, which is quite small. Like, I'm not sure how we're gonna fit all our furniture in here. That's why we need an addition. So this wall will be knocked out and it will go that way. I forget the square footage. About 200 square feet adding to this bedroom, so it'll be fairly large. And then the closets, there's 2 closets, and this will actually bump out more so that they're walk-in. But again, this is something that I'm gonna have to wait for because we really wanna try to do everything with cash. And then this is a half bath. This is a very strange master bathroom. This is another reason why we really need the addition. So I'm gonna kind of try to show you. This space here is where the bathroom is. So we're gonna knock this out and extend it. And the shower will go down there. But see, this is the staircase underneath here that was in the back of the kitchen. It's below here. So that's why this is like this could have been a small shower or something. It's just that it's not because of the staircase. So it is a closet. It's a strange little area right here. And there's a window. And this is all original as well, which you can tell. Except for, I think this may have been changed. This looks a little bit newer. But there's a sink and mirror, and look at all that is rusted. I tried washing it. We're gonna have to paint it or something. I wanna just pull this all out actually. But it's the light, so I'm not exactly sure how fast we're gonna do that. And then there's just a little toilet, which is really small, and I wanna change that too so that it's a little bit bigger. But that's this. And again, nothing has been cleaned yet other than 1 room downstairs. So today we will do a bunch of cleaning as well. That'll be in the next video. Now I'm going to take you back downstairs. We will change out this floor as well. and most of everything down here is original as well, including this lovely floor. This bedroom has been somewhat updated. It has newer carpet, and it's all been drywalled, which is nice. And this is going to be my oldest son's bedroom. We have stored a few things in here to get him out of the house, and I don't know what that is. That was here in the house, and for some reason my husband's stuck in here. I'm not exactly sure what's going on. But he's got some nice natural light as well, plus a couple extra lights on the ceiling. And we're going to actually be almost right away putting can lights in here and having this room painted. Actually, maybe even before we move in. On the other side, if you turn to the right, all of this paneling is going to be drywalled as well. This is just a utility closet thing. This will be my other son's bedroom, and this is also going to be done probably before we even move in. All of this paneling is coming out, and the ceiling is coming out, and it's all going to be drywalled, and we're going to put 4 can lights in here and a new fan. And he has a pretty nice sized room as well. And a nice big closet. Now this room is the only room I have cleaned so far. I cleaned the windows and the blinds. Everything has been cleaned in here. But again, this is going to all be demoed, so I didn't go crazy. I did clean the fan even though we're not keeping it in here. And then you go down the hall. This is the laundry room, which will be a very large mudroom. We're not exactly sure. It's so big. We don't need a mudroom this big. So we've kind of thought about maybe knocking this wall out, making the bedroom a little bigger. But I don't know if we're going to do that. I'm just not really sure. There's just so many possibilities, but this is a very large room, and it's just a storage laundry room. And this is probably the door we'll most likely always use because it's right where the driveway is, and that's where the garage will be. And then keep going down the hall, and here is the full bathroom. This will be my boys' bathroom. And this is quite original as well. So this all needs to be updated. It does look like, if you can see here, the tiles changes. So it does look like the shower has been updated at some point. So they have a shower in here, toilet, beautiful pink sink, and again, another one of these vanity light things. So all of this will eventually, this is not on the docket to do ASAP, but eventually it will all be changed. We also have plans to redo all the floors. And then this is the downstairs family room. Where's the light? Hold on. So this is a fairly large downstairs family room. And this is another space that is getting 6 can lights and a new fan probably right when we move in, because the drywall guy is also going to be drywalling this whole room. And this is the back staircase that leads up into the kitchen and outside. And then this also leads outside. This is where they added that porch on the back. So the plan here is to do a built-in here, a built-in here. We're going to get rid of this insert right away. And I want to paint the brick. I'm not exactly sure. I have a lot of ideas. I thought I'm probably going to go bright. I was thinking black because I love the black, but it's kind of dark in this room. I mean, even though we're getting can lights, so it'll be brighter, it's naturally not bright because of this. This roof keeps the sun from coming in, but this is just a sunroom that was added on that I don't love. It just seems like it's not it's not a really usable space. I mean, we will put our outdoor furniture in here for now because there's no other place for outdoor furniture. There's no decks, patios, nothing here. So, we will do that. But eventually, I would like to make this like a screen and porch, more of an outdoor space. Not so much of an outdoor space, making it indoor, if you get what I'm saying. But that is the patio, and it also keeps a lot of sun from coming in, which we have plans to take out several of the trees. There's a lot of trees in this yard. So that is a tour of this house. I think that's everything. See, up here, this is where the master bedroom is. So it has the staircase, which has the weird closet. The master bathroom, I'm sorry. So that's why it's kind of, so we would be going that way with the bathroom so that we don't lose this back staircase, because we could get rid of it and change it up, but my husband and I both like that there's a back staircase on the house, and the kitchen leads to the outside. So now we're going back up into the kitchen the opposite way, and that finishes our tour. So that's our new house. It's a major fixer-upper, but this will be our this is our 6th home that we have purchased and fixed up. And right now, this was a blessing of the Lord for us to do better financially. So we are taking it as it is, and we are going to make it beautiful, lovely, and we're going to make it our home. See you guys in the next video. I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Bye, guys.